phylum Hemichordata. So this Hemichordates initially studied under phylum Chordata. It is studied as a subphylum under phylum Chordata initially. After that, they found that these hemichordates have no notochord. Due to absence of notochord, again they removed from the phylum Chordata and placed as a separate invertebrate phylum, non-chordate phylum Hemichordata in invertebrates. So here we studied that hemi means half, chorda means notochord. So that means we can say organisms belong to this phylum are commonly called as half chordates. Half chordates which have no notochord. Notochord is not present, but other characters like paired gimstils are present as like chordate character. So here notochord is not present. They thought that organ is a notochord, but afterwards that is not mesodermal origin. That's why they separated from the phylum Chordata. So these organisms are also exclusively marine. Marine organisms. And it is exclusively marine, completely marine organisms. And we studied its body is worm-like, living in burrows, worm-like cylindrical bodies, tall bodies, elongated bodies. Living in burrows. The mud of marine organ, marine water it makes burrows and lives in burrows. Organisms like echinoderms, so higher invertebrate characteristic features like organ, system level of organization. Organ system level of organization exhibited by this organisms. Symmetry, bilaterally symmetrical, bilaterally symmetrical organisms. Coelom, enterocoelom is two coelom is present, and the type of coelom we can say enterocoelom. Three germlets are present in ancient diploblastic animals. And Segmentation is absent. Segmentation not present. Body of the second order divided into three parts. Anterior proboscis, middle collar, posterior collar, like body of hemichordates. You can observe anterior proboscis, collar, and trunk. Like you can observe body of hemichordates, proboscis, collar, trunk. Like body is divided into three parts. You can say digestive system is present, complete digestive system, paired gills or respiration, open type of circulation, excretory organs like proboscis gland is present, nervous system, double ventral nerve cord with the ganglia, a reproductive system, sexual reproduction occurs, fertilization external, oviparous, shows indirect development. That we will see. Wait. Yes. The semicolons have complete digestive system, mouth and anus are present. Butyrol shows anus form first from the bronchophore, after mouth form. Paired pharyngeal gills are present. For respiration, open type of circulation is present. Excretory system contains proboscis gland, for excretion. Nervous system with double ventral narrowcard, double ventral narrowcard. Reproductive system, so sexual reproduction, oviparous, exhibit external fertilization, contains larval stage, so we can say indirect development. Indirect development includes larval stage, that is Ternaria larva. Common Ternaria larva is the larval stage in the indirect development. Contains two superclasses like Palmatozoa and Elytherozova, like Palmatozoa and Elytherozova, which have organisms like Balanoblastis, Sarcoblastis. Commonly, we can say a cornworm. Okay, so like let's see about phylum Hemichordata of chordates. Okay, right. So next we will see phylum Chordata. Chordata phylum contains some special characteristic features like presence of notochord. Like with notochord, we will study nervochord is present. That is, up to now we studied in nervochord in case of invertebrates is ventral. When it comes to chordates, nervochord is on dorsal. Dorsal, hollow, single nervochord. When it comes to the invertebrates, ventral, solid, double, ganglionated nervochord is studied. Chordata have dorsal, tubular or hollow, single nervochord is present. Like paired pharyngeal gill slits for respiration, same way, post anal tail. These are the main characteristic features of phylum Chordata. So that phylum Chordata will start now. So where we studied in invertebrate characteristic features that are slightly different in case of chordates. So we cannot see tail in case of invertebrates, whether it is comes under hemichordata, there is no specific tail, or arthropods also we cannot tell it is a tail. So tail is present means we can say chordata. It is one of the special characteristic feature, defining characteristic feature or unique characteristic feature of chordates. The four main important characters we can say rotochord, nervochord, that is dorsal, single, hollow nervochord, paired pharyngeal gill slits, and post anal tail that we will see. Along with that, some other characteristic features of phylum Chordata also we will study now. Okay, right. Here, Kata means monocar. Eta bearing are present. Notochord is present in the organisms belong to phylum Chordata. That's why you can say organisms or animals belongs to the phylum Chordata. Now, notochord. Along with notochord, you can say dorsal tubula or hollow single level card. Along with that, failed partial gill slits and post anal tail. These are the characters of chordates mainly. When we study about notochord, it is a rod-like flexible structure present in all chordates. The rod-like flexible rod-like structure derived from the mesoderm. So that's why you can say notochord always derived from the mesoderm. If even we studied in case of hemichordates, instead of notochord, stomochord is present derived from the buccal cavity. Buccal diverticulum is present in case of hemichordates. Hemichordata have buccal diverticulum or stomochord, stoma mouth or the notochord. So buccal diverticulum is present in hemichordates or stomochord is present in hemichordates. But here notochord, a flexible rod-like structure present in all chordates. It is derived from the mesoderm. That's why you can say notochord is a flexible rod-like structure derived from mesoderm. This notochord again in some organisms in the notochord replaced by vertebral column. Some organisms notochord will be disappears. In some chordates notochord present throughout life. So based on that, chordates again classified. Phylum Chordata again classified into three subphyla that are Urochordata, Cephalochordata, Vertebrata. Phylum Chordata contains three subphyla: Urochordata, Cephalochordata, Vertebrata. So because this notochord is presenting larval tail region of Eurocardids, Euro tail, Carda, Notocard. Notocard present only the tail region of Eurocardids. The